Let's see, I think it's on. Okay. Merry Christmas, folks. First, this is a prayer message for Norris Patriot. I know your dad, and we're doing prayers for your lower intestine infection. We're praying as hard as you would not believe, and I always pray. So this is the prayers for you. And anybody else out there who is religious, or it doesn't matter if you're Christian, Muslim, Jewish, always pray. Also, I tell a lot of people, pray like heck for year 2020. And next 7 days, we're going to constantly pray for Norris. That's Norris Patriot. Okay? When I do mean I got you covered, I watched the whole video through. I'm not like somebody hopping around, just only get a few minutes. I do watch it on a laptop, this doohickey. And that's honest truth, okay? Yeah. Uncle Alan's memory's not too good, and I hope this is Wednesday Christmas. I'll catch you later, folks.